Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video. And this time we will let you know about the keyword match type tool. Have you ever encountered challenges while making bulk changes to the keyword match type? If so, you will find this tool incredibly valuable. This tool simplifies the process of automatically changing the match type of all of your keywords to options like phrase and exact match type. So now imagine a scenario where you have thousands of keywords that need to be converted to an exact match type. Manually doing this, that will take a lot of time. That's where this tool comes in. Automatically changes the match type for you. So now how we can use it? We already dropped the tool link in the description box below. You can access it by clicking on the link. To utilize this tool, just copy the keywords you want to do and paste them into the specific input, and then select the desired keyword match type for the modification. Once you have finished this action, click on the create keyword button. The keyword will be changed to the match type that you want. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.